right under the hood. Up in there. Go, 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 go. Get in there.
Get this car going, Lou.
Under the car! Under! Hey! Yellow line under the car! Hey!
Move forward! Whose car is it?
That's mine.
Oh, yep. Check it out. It's crazy, dude. What? Damn, it's really funny. Everyone kept calling me out for the crispy sticker. I might have to take it off, dude. I might have to take it off now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's so funny. What? Oh man, this sucks. And look how sad that is, man. That's so shitty. Well, at least you got home safe. You know, there's kind of the aftermath and the light. I know we just made an edit on all of this too, which really blows. Because here, I'll pop this for you guys. I don't know if you're gonna see much. Oh, phone's almost dead and there's not very good lighting. But my fuel line disconnected. I don't know if you guys remember, but that was an old problem. So now it's become a major problem, and I have to replace a wiring harness just on the cold side, and then part of the intake, because you can see whatever that is exploded. But it's all right now that we've have a spare head for this. I have all the parts for it, so except for the wiring harness, but it's not too big of a deal if I can find one. But if not, then it will be. But yeah, here it is. It's all nice and white now. Yeah, oh, that's cool. Definitely an experience. The hood is all charred, and then you guys saw the top, but the motor's fine. It shut off before it caught fire because there was no fuel going to it, and by my mistake, I tried starting it again because we were in the middle of the line going to a meet, and all the fuel that I tried starting it with just hit the starter or whatever was hot down there and just erupted. And as you guys saw from the other video of it being on fire, it was pretty big, very sketchy, and definitely an experience that I don't want to be in again. So make sure you bring a fire extinguisher with you. Oh, and my hood doesn't shut anymore, which is nice. I don't know, I might pull the LZ and leave all that there because it gives it some more character. But we got to push it back into its spot. But on that shitty note, I think I'm going to end it here. Very kind of an unexpected video today. Very just out of the blue. Just like, what the hell? But there's no one to blame for it but me. You know, just a mistake. Simple mistake caused a huge problem. So make sure you carry an extinguisher with you, because I didn't have one, so I couldn't do much, which was really lame. But a good thing. It's a good thing everybody else there had one. Really thankful for that. And I'm just glad it's back home in almost one piece. Except for it being burnt and whatnot. But anyway, alright guys, I just want to interrupt the end of the video and just say that when this comes out, I will be in Texas, so I'll be flying down there. I don't know if I'll put anything up on the way down there, but when I am down there, I will be finishing up a 1948 Plymouth Deluxe Coupe. Throw up a few pictures of what it looks like. I don't have any pictures on my camera of what it looks like at the moment, but when we get down there, I'll give you guys a full walk around. And kind of what it is, but for a short description of it, 48 Plymouth Deluxe Coupe, you know, straight body, powder coated frame, and whatnot, but it's been sitting in a garage for 25 years plus or something like that. So that'll be fun. It's got a lot of dust on it, and I'm excited to finish it up. I'll give you some more backstory when we get down there, but should be very, very soon. I hope you guys are excited for it. Kind of stepping away from the Miata stuff for a little bit, for about a month, and we'll be coming back to it in full force and finish that guy up, and we'll go from there. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sad as it is, because you guys are in Texas.